Let's make a summer limoncello and mint sorbet at home using the KitchenAid ice cream attachment. This is a 2-day process, but if you want to make your own sorbet flavors, like my one here, then you will find that it's worth it. So we start off by making a sugar syrup by adding water and sugar in a pot and cooking it just until the sugar dissolves. You do not want to overboil it like I did the first time, as it will reduce the liquid and throw the ratio out. I then added in the lemon zest, lemon juice, limoncello and bruised mint leaves. So if you want a PG version, you can leave the limoncello out and add a little bit more water. So the syrup will thicken as it cools down. So don't worry if you see it super runny at this stage. Just let it cool down and I promise you it will thicken up. So once we let it cool down to room temperature, we place it into the fridge to chill overnight, as well as placing the KitchenAid ice cream attachment into the freezer. The following day, get rid of those mint leaves from the sugar syrup and we allow the sorbet to churn on really low speed for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might not see it forming at first, but I promise it comes together gradually. Do not churn it on high speed. That will also impact the results. You can eat it right away, or you can place it into a container and into the freezer for standby at a later time. It definitely does wonders if you let it chill in the freezer for a little bit longer. So I served it with some little sprigs of fresh mint leaves, but you could leave it out because it'll probably get stuck in people's teeth. Anyway, hope you love it and give it a go.